Welcome to Q&E Software, the GST Compliance accounting software for your company. In this video, I will talk about the tax code changes in the latest guideline from Custom Diraja Malaysia, 20th July 2016. Royal Malaysian Customs Department has updated the Guide of Accounting Software on 20th of July 2016. Q&E is the first GST software that allows you to update the tax code online. After the changes announced by Royal Malaysia Customs Department, most of the users will request to update their software immediately. However, it is always a challenge for software resellers to go out to customer site and update the software one by one. By using Q&E Optimum, users will not need to wait for the update from the software resellers. Users can get the latest update online, and this is to ensure your GST software is always compliant with the guideline from Royal Malaysia Customs Department. To get the update, at the login screen, click on the Online Update button here. Then key in the password 91333-237 and proceed with the installation. After the installation, when you log in the database, system will prompt for database upgrade. So we click Upgrade. After successfully upgrading the database, system will display the tax code update wizard. By running this wizard, system will check whether the tax code in your database are the same with the tax codes recommended by RMCD, and system will add and replace tax codes on this database immediately. Click on the next button. The first tax code is RP, which is the relief purchase under GST legislation. There is a description box below elaborating further about this tax code. Note that there is a remark here saying that this tax code does not exist in the database. So click Create to insert this tax code. The second tax code is TXCG. This tax code refers to purchases with GST incurred for all capital goods acquired that is claimable regardless of the value of the goods. Note that a similar tax code TXCGA was created in a previous version to handle the same scenario. Since the new tax code TXCG is now recommended by RMCD, it is recommended to change this tax code from TXCGA to TXCG. Then click on the Change Tax Code button. The third tax code is ZAGDA. This tax code is for exportation of goods from Malaysia to designated area, namely Pulau Langkawi, Labuan, and Pulau Tioman, which are subject to zero rate supplies. Click on the Create Tax Code button. The next tax code is TXIES. This refers to transactions involving the payment of input tax attributable to the incidental exempt financial supplies as input tax attributable to taxable supplies. A similar tax code TXE43 was created in a previous version to handle the same scenario. Since the new tax code TXIES is now recommended by RMCD, it is recommended to change this tax code from TXE43 to TXIES. Click on Change Tax Code. The following tax code is IES. This refers to exempt supplies made under incidential exempt supplies and applicable for wholly taxable suppliers and partially exempted traders or mixed suppliers. A similar tax code, ES43, was created in the previous version to handle the same scenario. Since the new tax code IES is now recommended by RMCD, it is recommended to change this tax code from ES43 to IES. Click on Change Tax Code. The next tax code is IM. This refers to all goods imported into Malaysia which are subjected to GST. This tax code was also available in the previous version, however, there are some changes to the description. Click on Update Description button. The same goes for tax code AJP, TXRE, ZRE, GS, and AJS. We have now completed the wizard. In the event where you have skipped the wizard after logged in, you can go to the GST module and click on the tax code menu. In here, there is a tax code update wizard where you can run the wizard again. As you can see, the tax code has been updated. Now I will create a sample invoice with the GS tax code. Let's save this invoice and check at the GST 03. As you can see, the amount also appears in item 13. With this update, these changes does not only affect the tax code, it will also affect your tax code mapping and posting to the GST 03. Thus, this is the update you must apply in order to ensure your software is always GST compliant. Thank you for watching.